This is part 2 of the postulates for section 1-2. We're going to deal with postulate 1.3 and 1.4 here, and now we're going to start talking about planes. It says, postulate 1.3, it says, if two distinct planes intersect, they intersect in exactly one line. So I have a shape here. This is just a regular old cube here, and essentially each side of this cube, or if you want to call it a box, that's fine. But each side of this cube is considered a plane. And you can see that if I move the cube here for you, that you can tell that each side, if I pick one side, for example, let's take the top here, this top side that's colored in. If I take the top, and this would be considered, if I wanted to call this, I would call this plane, I could call it plane GHI. Okay, all I need is 3 letters. Again, I don't have to have the fourth. You can throw the fourth in there if you want to. You don't have to have the fourth. But let's say I take the top and I take this left side right here. So if you take this top and the left side, what it wants to know is, where do those two planes intersect? Well, as you can see from the coloring here on the part when I color both of these in, that the left plane right here, GHD, and the top plane, GHI, intersect at a line. And this line happens to be the line HG. Okay, top side and left side of the box, they intersect to form a line. So this top plane, this side plane intersect at this line, GH, right here, GH. Okay, that's postulate 1.4. Postulate, or excuse me, 1.3. Postulate 1.4 then says, through any 3 non-collinear points, there's exactly one plane. So all I have to do is pick out 3 points that are not on the same line. Okay. For example, if I were to take and pick 3 points that were not on the same line here, and let's see here. Let's pick a plane. Now let's say I'm going to pick D, I'm going to pick A, and I'm going to pick C. So those 3 points create a plane, any 3 points. Okay? I can also do it in this case. Let's do it through, let's go D, let's go A, and let's go H. You'll see this plane. You'll notice that that plane takes the box and it cuts it diagonally right in half. So the plane here that we'd be talking about would be J, H, D, and A. You can see the box through the middle there. Okay. Any 3 of those points, again, they cannot be in the same line. If you pick any 3 points not in the same line, then they are exactly one plane. Okay, this concludes the part 2 of the postulates for section 1-2. You can now move on to the examples.